Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca. If you are new here, if you are returning, then welcome back. It's me, Bianca. So today I'm actually going to do an Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. If you didn't know, Ipsy is a subscription box, so you can purchase monthly and you can always opt out if you don't want to pay that month, whatever. I believe the cheapest option, which is what I do, it's $25 to $30. I'm not sure the exact amount, but you get 5 full-size products and you actually get to choose 3 of them, which is pretty legit. And then the add-ons, you can always add add-ons if you want. They have like mini sizes for $3.50. You can always buy little sample sizes to go with it, along with full-size products sometimes for pretty inexpensive, all the way up to $25. Like they even have like flat irons on there, really nice hair dryers, just a bunch of stuff. So you get high discounts for being a member. Anyway, so I'm doing February. I'm a little bit late, but I'm gonna start doing this on my channel every month because I literally am obsessed with this. And it's a really great way to get new products and try different things without really breaking the bank. You know what I'm saying? So this month is Boxycharm. It's a self-love affair because you know it was
Valentine's Day.
And it is also Black History Month, so we are going to test out some products. The first item that we're going to pull from this month's box is the Grown Alchemist. This is the Biological Beauty Skin Renewal Day Cream. This retails for $62. So already we're way over what I've already spent for this month, so that's legit. Oh, I like this scent. It's kind of like a fresh, oh my God, what does it remind me of? Fuck, I've smelled something like this before. Super lightweight on the skin, which I do love. Oh my God, what does it smell like? Oh, you know what it smells like? Do you guys know Aveda products, like Aveda skin products? That's what it reminds me of. And I know that this brand is pretty good. So I was really excited to see a skincare product. Now you get to choose, like you can always cater, you know, what you want to go in your box. If you want more skincare, if you want more makeup, nails, whatever, you can choose. I do like a mix of both skincare and makeup. Next item is this Glow-ish by Huda Beauty, this luminous pressed powder. I believe that my shade is still like my summer shade, so that's fine. It's light medium, even though I'm not really light medium. I'm more like light right now because it's winter time. But I am excited to try this powder out. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty smooth. I probably will try it today. I might be able to get away with it for setting like the lower half of my face. So we will try this a little bit later. One of the add-ons that I purchased, I'm going to try, it's the Rose Ink Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum. Looks like this. It has like little beads. Ooh, I'm interested. I'm going to just put a little bit. Anything coming out? Barely. Okay, hold on. Okay, that is kind of nice. Bring it down my neck. Sample size was the Ciate London. This is the Vitamin Boost Primer. This says that it's a plumping primer. Smells pretty nice. It smells like fresh, which I do like. I don't know if it's gonna be pore filling. Doesn't really feel like it. Feels pretty slippy on the skin. I probably did put a lot. This is how the skin is looking right now. And because the next products are more bronzer, blush type of products, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and concealer off camera so we can get to the other products. Okay, I'm back. So I did my foundation and my concealer off camera and my brows. And now I'm going to go in with a liquid blush. This is the Lovecraft and Beauty liquid blush. It's a really pretty pink, and it's in the shade Mercury Moves. Say that 3 times fast. This retails for $20. Okay, it's a little bit like kind of serum-y texture, I would say. Really pretty. It definitely is glowy, and I did have to build it up, so this would be really good in the summer, I feel like, you know? Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. This is the Laura Geller Made to Multitask Cream to Powder Trio in Think Pink. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's rose gold, I'm assuming, subtly pink, and tropical coral. Okay, but because we have like this already pinky color, I think I'm gonna go with the tropical coral. I never use this type of formula where it's a cream to powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my brush in there. This is a flat Kadu. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is pigmented. Definitely not like the other one that was buildable. Wow. Super pretty, oh my goodness. Beware. Okay, I love that. So the highlighter is an actual powder. I'm like, look how much I have right there. Okay. Okay, now it's showing, but I had to really coat that. Let's just swatch this other blush just to see. Definitely more of a subtle, I would say like that's a little more peachy. That would actually be pretty on the lips. That retails for $32, and that was a full-size product. Okay, next is bronzer. This is the K-Boss Bronze Beauty Powder Bronzer. This retails for $42. It's in the shade Midtown. This is what it looks like. It does have a mirror, which I love. Okay, I'm going to dip. Ooh, that is a nice shade, and I do like, it's pretty pigmented. For this 5 head. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna go in and set. I'm going back in for the lower half of my face with the Glowish Huda Beauty. Okay, and this retails for $33. I like it. It adds some coverage, so that's nice. Yeah, I think this is a good powder. Go ahead and set my lids with this just to also add some more color and like immediately bronzing my lids all over just to kind of give like a wash. So I don't really have to do much to the eyes. I realized I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm gonna go back in with that one bronzer that we used, the K-Boss, and I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose really quick. I like to go under, and I like to do stamping motions. And then I like to do a little button right here. I know in the last video y'all saw my nose contour was crazy. Yeah, it was not my best one, I will say. It was horrendous. I'm gonna brighten with the e.l.f. foundation powder. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to try is I'm going to go back into the Laura Geller palette, and I'm going to grab this shade, and I'm going to just tap it in the center of my lips. I really like that. I think with my other finger, I'm going to tap into this highlighter and just do tiny. Just in the center, just to bring a little bit more lightness. I actually really like that. And then I'm going to add the highlight onto my cheeks. Cute. And this is how the skin is looking right now. I'm pretty pleased with how these products work together. Personally, I do still see like quite a bit of pores happening right here. When I use my e.l.f. pore filling primer, it really sinks in, I feel like, and doesn't really show that. But overall, I think that my face makeup looks pretty damn good. And I really love the blush. I love the bronzer. Like everything sat really nicely on the other products. So I think overall this is a really good box that I got this month. So the total of this box comes out to $189, well over what I end up spending. What is it, like $30 a month? So super excited, super impressed with a lot of those products. I just found a new blush bronzer duo that I am absolutely in love with. That powder is pretty good. I feel like I'll definitely use that in the summertime a lot more. And yeah, really happy with the products. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye bye.